Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add friends in Clash Royale. Adding friends in Clash Royale makes the game more fun and competitive. You can challenge your friends, chat with them, or join friendly battles to practice strategies together. The game allows you to connect with friends through direct invites, social media, or messaging apps, making it easy to expand your in-game network. To add friends in Clash Royale, first, open the Clash Royale game on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the Add Friends icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the Friends menu where you can manage and add new friends. Now, tap on Invite Friend. From here, you have multiple options to send your invitation. You can send it directly to a friend via WhatsApp by selecting their contact. You can also copy the invitation link and share it through other platforms or apps. Additionally, the invitation can be sent through other social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, or any messaging app installed on your device. Once your friend receives the link or invitation, they can tap it to connect with you in Clash Royale. After they accept, you will appear in each other's friends list and can challenge or chat with them in the game. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.